Oh, now he knows it's hooked. Man, he might be a big pump. Look at the hawk, man. Oh, he got something now. He can lift it. It's heavy. Can we see it on the camera? I think we can. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, he let go. Good morning and welcome to another one, guys. We're back in this beautiful place. It's gonna be me and Clint today. We're gonna start with our favorite spot. It's gonna be incoming tide soon, so we want to search this area at least half an hour, see if we can catch any pompano. If we see anybody catching tarpon, we're gonna go for them because we see a couple boats already fishing for them. And later on, plan B, we're gonna go in our favorite spot and catch some redfish and snook, right? That's the plan? All right, let's do it. We're gonna start with a jig.
You got action up there, mackerel or something underneath that bird.
Yeah, we see a lot of bait, but there's a lot of grass right now, so let's deal with the grass. So, same thing, 3,000 size reel, 10-pound main line, 20-pound leader line, banana jig, goofy jig, whatever you call those guys. Green and white on pink teaser. Let's go, our first cast. Perfect time and tide for this area, guys, incoming tide. Let the jig drop on the bottom and let the current just bounce it and let the current push that jig on your right. And repeat the process. We already see a lot of bait in the water. Maybe some Spanish mackerel there. Yeah, there, I see them busting the bait there. Fish on, first fish of the day. He got some weight on him. Not running like a pump, he might be jacked. Oh, this guy got some weight. Oh, it's a good fish, whatever it is. Oh. Man, that's a good start. Let's go. Come here. Let's go. Be a pompano. Oh, you guys, a jack. What is it? Jack, right? Yeah, it's a jack. Got us excited, man. It's been a while though since we got this medium-sized jack, so these guys haven't been around much. Hey, we started catching fish, so that's what matters. It isn't going anywhere. It'll be a good shark bait, but I don't like keeping any jigs today. We're gonna keep some whiting. First fish. It's around the same place. Let's see if their cousins are around. Alright. Same spot. Current is picking up. There you go. Oh. Shaking his head. Running now. Oh, he's running faster now. Come on. Make us happy. Make us happy. That's some good fighting. Yay! Got us excited for a sec. Jakey. Hey, like I said, nothing wrong with the jakey. These guys are fun. Oh, look in front of me. I think that was a tarpon. Yeah, where's your white bait? Tarpon. Ah man, I don't have anything ready for that. I'm gonna send a nice Mahara to take in a bite. That's a big boy. I'll send the Mahara. He's right in front of us. I don't think I can go that far. I need to put a lure on. I'm going with a light rod though.
Yeah. You have one of those feedbacks if you want.
Yeah, I might. Yeah, let's do that for like 20 minutes. You never know. Alright, since the tide is not that crazy, we're gonna go a little farther on the edge of the channel. Gonna anchor there and pre-line those Maharas and see if we can get tarpon. And Clint has some white bait. Would be nice to catch one. I'm gonna try to drag them on the beach though. Well, let's do it, man. They're there. You see the corner right there? We can throw and get the bait because I see there right there by the white bait.
The white bait's right there in front of me where I was just standing. Can we take a net and get it close?
Let's do it before this current gets crazy. Yeah. All right, we made it. I mean, we're not that crazy far. We're gonna start with this area because we can hold anchor pretty good right here, and we're out of the channel. A lot of big boats go by. And start with Mahara. I don't think tarpon will see not with these Maharas. So what I'm doing, I saw him right in front of me, so I'm casting right here, and we're still gonna jig. I'm gonna throw as far as possible and let the line go and let the Mahara drop right where I saw them cruising earlier. Come on. Back to jig. Let's go, let's make it happen. Right? We don't have the right bait. Pilcher will be the best because I kind of swim on top and tarpon is rolling on top now. It makes sense to have something that swims on top. I'll say finger mullet and pilchers will be the best for the tarpon bait. Ooh, there you go. Fish on. Oh, that's a nice one, Clint. Ah. There you go. On the jig. Might be a jig. We need to get the net ready now. That's why I don't like having my kayak crowded. That's why I like one rod. 2 max. Because you're gonna deal with all. Ah, he's going by. Oh no, he's not. I thought he was going by my ankle. Might be a jack for sure. Yeah, it's a jack. Not the right species. They're fun though. Little Jackie. Nothing wrong with the Jackie. Now what we're looking for, but hey. Okay. I wish I don't. I wish I don't. I don't miss them. Yeah. Yeah, it's been less of them. Actually, we don't fish the barrel much, that's why. But probably they're still around. Ooh, chasing, come on. Let's go. Fish on, fish on. Feel it nibbling, sometimes slow your hand. It might be pump or jack. They just go and nibble on your jig. They don't have it. Give them some time, they'll go back. All we need was one tarpon, and we can go back to our favorite spot. Ooh, there you go. We grabbed it. Probably 100% jack. I was reeling it in. Shake it, shake it. Man, where are the cousins today? There's running catfish. Catfish on board. Okay. I'm tired with these guys. I'm gonna put a nice tarpon lure in there. Nothing big, just I have a nice white plastic that I think goes well. It looks like a white bait. So yeah, let's set that up. Do another 5 to 10 minutes cast for tarpon. And leave the live bait in there. If they don't want to play, and no pompano, we're going back for our redfish. Let's go. Using our 5,000 size reel for those plastic. Let me see what I have. I forgot my tarpon lure home. Fish on! It's not the tarpon, no. It's a fish on that white plastic paddle tail. Oh, he has some fight. He has some jacky fight. Man, I was hungry for that little guy. Biggest jack of the day, I guess. Or second biggest. Jeez. Let go. Yeah. This one eye, lost one of the eyes. The lure is pretty good. Can't wait to hit the tarpon on this. Yeah, they've been picky. Nothing is touching the live bait. As soon as I said nothing touching the live bait, something is not touching. I'm letting that paddle tail just drop close to the bottom, because if I work him on top or near the top, I can collect a lot of grills. Fish on? What is this? It's not shaking his head, so something different. It's not pompano either, it's not running. I don't know. Maybe a smaller jig. I don't know. Oh, shark. Go away, big shark. Oh no, never mind, it's the eagle ray. A giant eagle ray. I thought it was going to get sharked. Maybe a jack. Oh no, it's a fat trout, and he has something falling. Fat trout, nice. Remember I said we haven't seen the big trout here on the ponds? Hey, they're here. Keeper trout. 18, 19 for sure. There you have it, guys. That's good. Change of species. Here we go. Oh, good fish. Another fat trout? What is it? Yeah, they've been biting very far. Right on the middle of the channel. Oh, grouper. New species. Grouper on a jig. Yeah, it felt different, so. Oh. There you go. Alright, let's do a couple more casts. Call it for now in this spot. Maybe later. It's not running. Came on top shaking, so I don't know. This Yeah, they've been biting far. Can't even tell what they are. Yep. Another stradic. Feisty. Alright you guys, we made it to our favorite spot. We're gonna send one on the back of the kayak with Mohara and start with net shrimp for now and take it from there. So we're gonna do live Moharas, net shrimp and spoon. Should be able to catch with all of them. Look at that, good size Mohara. This thing catches everything. Let's go. In the back of the kayak, right there, so it doesn't get mixed up with the rest of the lines. I hate working two lines, especially when the bite is good, but hey, we don't know yet. We just got here. Let's go. First cast on the net shrimp. Let's catch that redfish on the first cast. I love it when I catch fish on my first cast. Every time I go to a new spot, catch fish on my first cast, I always have a good day. First fish on the Mohara. It's not huge, but we found them. Hungry. Yeah, I'll say 18, half 19. First keeper of the day. We'll take it. That was on Mohara. Just taking a break on the. I guess we're gonna go back on the Mohara. Let's go. One for the Mohara. 0 for net shrimp so far. I can't steal what I want today. Yep, it's in another good sized Mohara. See if we catch the big one. Perfect. We're not even that far. Put the net away. Too much stuff here on the kayak. Yeah, I was hungry. Jesus, thought you went for my face. Uh-oh. My camera started heating up and shutting down, guys. We had a nice one all on the caught pinfish. This might be a good sized red thing. Let's go.
There's even a nice swirl.
Oh man, that's a good size on the caught pinfish. Let's hope for a big red or big snook. See, this camera shuts off on me. Let me turn the other one just in case. I don't know what's going on today with the cameras. That's a good sized fish. That's overslot red probably.
I think it is red.
He's a red, right? Nice.
I saw some gold.
Yeah, he is a red. No, actually he's a good size.
Yeah, he's
No, actually he's like 24, 25. I don't think he's oversized. Oh, that's a good red. Hey, we might eat some redfish, guys. Oh yeah, nice color too. Good looking red. Oh, caught bait. Can't get my net out. It's alright. Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Big red.
Redfish. Yeah.
You need one.
I can use the bucket stringer. Yeah, boy. Look at that, guys. 24.5-inch redfish. Nice.
Oh, it's a baby.
Redfish on half shell, guys. Let's go. Do some catch, clean, cook maybe today if we finish early. It's all clean. We're gonna make it happen. So now it's his turn. All right, you guys. Let's send this. Still the same pinfish that give us that nice red out there. And let's hope for another one. The way he took it slowly, I didn't think it was that big.
Yeah, I thought it was minnows at first because your line was just bouncing a little bit.
Yeah, I didn't think they're gonna be a nice redfish. Me and Clint were talking and that thing just started moving and my camera shut off because it's been so hot. I need to find some kind of shade, some kind of cover for my camera because I can't deal with this. And the thing was just going like a tiny fish. I'm like, I think I have a good fish in there. Get the guy, and then I guess he felt he was hooked and then start moving. Getting a bite, guys. Oh, don't tell me I missed. No, I don't. Oh, there you go, another nice one. Another nice one. It's not huge, or maybe he doesn't know he's hooked yet. One of these two. Small, huh? Yeah, it's a small. It's alright. So I guess the small ones are here too. No. Oh yeah. Is your pinfish in the water?
Yeah.
Why is it not biting? What leader line you have? Yeah, how light is your leader?
20, 25, 20, 25.
You have 20. And what about your hook?
2. I was using the ladyfish, so.
Oh, and you just throw the pinfish now?
Yeah.
Look at that, guys.
So
Man.
we'll see what happens when
1, 2, 3, 4 in that side, 3 in this side. Can get better than that. Let's go. All right, that skin is done. We have our last piece of pinfish, the whole head. Let's put the whole thing in there. Look at the hook, man. Oh, he got something now. He can lift it. It's heavy. Can we see it on the camera? I think we can. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, he let go. That's all right. He's gonna come back.
got a mullet.
All right. Oh, you got a mullet?
Yeah.
It's good. All right, guys. Let's send this head of the pinfish now and hope for the big. Perfect. Perfect. Right there. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Gonna do some net shrimp on the side. Finally got position. Figure out tied in the middle of the kayak since my trolley rig wasn't working. We're facing the right way now, so we shouldn't have any problem.
Oh, I did get the pinfish too.
You did?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh yeah, he's there. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one, clean. Fish on, guys. On a headpiece. Man, I like those headpieces. That's a heavy, clean. Yeah.
I was getting all those small ones out of the way so you can get the big ones.
Yeah, come get here in front of me. Come get this. You want clean to land this?
If he's keeper size, I'll.
Yeah, it looked like 20 to me, but I don't know. There you go. Would look clean to have that honor of landing this one.
Not the same size, but
Same size. I don't know, it looked bigger. He took that big headpiece, man. Really? Man, that's cool. Yeah, he's 20s. Keep him on the string, and later on you can release him if you get a bigger one. Yeah, that's a 20. Here, let me try to measure. He's 20. Here, so here. Okay, this is 22. Oh, he's 22. He's 22, man. Swallow it. You can cut it. Don't want to kill him. All right, let's go.
This way, if he dies, at least he's edible.
All right, guys, we're pumped. New piece. If I land one more, I guess I'm gonna call it. We're still gonna fish, but just have fun. It's a deep hole where I'm casting. It's no grass, it's sand, and it's all surrounded with grass. And man, they're stacked up in there. Let's go.
I got a lot of thin fish on that one, but I don't know if they're...
How big?
But the redfish are.
Oh yeah, fish on. Oh man. Oh yeah, that's good. That's a good red. Oh, that's heavy.
A good one?
Huh?
That's a good one?
That's a good one. That's a good one. Ooh. He might be 20, 23, I think, 24. It's bigger or it's the same? What do you think? Let's see where this guy is.
Looks a little thicker, but probably about the same length.
Yeah, let me measure. Oh no, camera shut off. Good to have the front camera because the side one has been giving me a hard time, guys. All right, let's see where this guy is. All right. Yeah, it's 22. So
I'll just keep this one on here since he swallowed it.
yeah,
If we get a big one, like another 25 or something.
yeah, we'll let this guy go and grow. It's a 22 incher, another keeper. We already got our limit, so this guy's lucky. You have to go back. Yeah, boy. Woo! We still have the cut piece, so we're gonna send him back. My other camera is just that's a GoPro 10. The one I'm using right now is the 8, and these 8s are much better than 10.
Yeah, that's what I have, the 8s.
The 8s are much better, man. Don't switch for any higher. They say 12, 11, 12 are good, but now. So yeah, anyway, we thought that was our last fish. We're gonna call it a day, but let me try catching one more.
Oop, I'm on. Something's playing with me.
All right, let's try some spoon as well. Since we're waiting for a bite on the cut bait. Let's see now if they're in good mood for a spoon. It's high tide, almost changing. Usually they love to bite on plastic or spoon during the outgoing. Let's go. Still have the cut bait on that one. Let's catch one more and call it. Fish on! First red on the spoon for today, guys. Might be first and last if I want to call it a day. Not huge, but it's a good size. Oh, I have another on cut bait too.
No, he just spun you.
Oh, is this guy?
Big?
Not, I'll say 19, 20. Yeah, it's good size though. There you go. All right. Oof. Where are you going? Going all over my... I got him on the edge of the lip. Hardly. Yeah, another 19er, 20er. I'll say 20. He was hardly on the edge of his lip. Look at that, guys. Slaying those keeper sizes today. Beautiful red right there. Two at both sides. Let's go. All right, since we're catching, let's catch one more. Let's make this the last. Finally one on a golden spoon. They've been all chewing on that cut bait today.
They're getting ready for the bling bling.
Oh yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Fish on. Last fish for today, guys. Last fish. Man, what a day. Can't complain. I can stay here all day and still catching them. So we'll make this the last fish. On a spoon. Come on. What's going on with my other line? That's what happens when you have so many lines out. Oh, come on now. It's my fault. Where are you? Okay. Look at me.
Yeah, it looks like every time you get rid of the live bait.
Yeah, look like they all they switch from live bait now. Eating lures. Small but heavy. What a day, guys. What a day. Oh man, those treble hooks are dangerous. Woo, almost got me.
Oh, here comes the dolphin.
By us?
Dolphin.
How far?
Right there.
So yeah, small one.
Yeah, but he's kind of cruising out.
All right, man, what a day, guys. We started on the pass trying to find those pompanos, but it's been hard to find them lately. A lot of jakes. Trout were biting there. We're after tarpon. We saw a couple rolling. They didn't want to bite anything. And of course, we decided to move to our favorite spot. And we start catching giant redfish, medium-sized redfish, small ones. This area is loaded. So yeah, again, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, like always, give us a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget, guys, your spoons. Yeah, today the bites were all on the cut bait, or started on the cut bait on that incoming tide. As soon as the tide switch, you just switch on outgoing. They like these bling blings, guys. Net shrimp, spoon, golden spoons. You catch them in no time. Let's go.